How many faces, vertices and edges does a triangular prism have? Triangular prism is a shape like this. Okay, let's name this as A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Faces would be this triangle and this triangle, and then 3 rectangles. Rectangle here, rectangle this side, rectangle at the bottom. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 faces. Vertices would be A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. So vertices, there will be 6 of them. Edges, this is interesting. This triangle has 3 edges. 1, 2, 3. A1, A2, A2, A3, A3, A1. This triangle will also have 3. 3 plus 3. Beyond this, we have line joining A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, the number of edges is 9. So faces should be 5, vertices should be 6, edges should be 9. We're looking for 5, 6, 9. This is the choice we have.